What's up guys? It's here at today's video. We will be opening crates. Because look, we literally got 21 crates. Because I haven't opened my What? Bro? I'm doing a build. HYT Nami. Huh? HYT Nami? Huh? What's YouTube? What did blow mean? Too many people asking. Bro, not again. Bro, this guy is asking so many questions. Bro, is bro dumb? Like, enter something or not? Jelly? Another kit rental. Wow. Bro, look. I like got kit rental ticket N. That's how I got Sheila, bro. Like I got it twice. Like look. See? Twice. But and I also got a battle pass and I'm gonna spend it after the timer has ended. So yeah. And that's why I only have one more kit rental ticket in because I spend it on phone. And more plates. And we will have a good time. I don't know why I only open this. Oh, somebody's that was be creepy, man. Wow. Whoa. Earlier I was so lucky, man. That was be creepy. Whoa, can you just disappear faster, man? Okay. Blood's crying. What do you mean all good? What does that do? Like, what does that do? Okay, defeat the Titan. Okay. I'm not gonna do this guys because I don't even do squads. Okay. I do 5v5, but I don't really do squads or solos or whatever game mode has the Titan on it. I mostly play duels. And yeah, I did. Yes, I got to 1,000 wins now, so yeah. Bro, where are the rental tickets, man? I just ticket for fighter. Please, man. Why can't I get a rental ticket for fighter? Bro, I want a rental ticket for fighter, man. Because if you want to see Leon's face video, then yeah, just watch my video on Sunday. Tank. I can rent is Infernal Shield. I can't rent this because I cannot rent season 10 kits. I can only rent below season 10 kits. I don't wanna rent this. Bedwars be equipping. I am not clickbaiting you, bro. I am not clickbaiting you when I say he said he's gonna do a face reveal at 1K. Because no one's gonna stop me from doing a face reveal. Some people can stop me, but I'll do it next time. I'm not telling y'all guys. You cannot stop me, bro. What the? Another defender kit. Let's see how many defender kits have you got. We got 2. So we got range and destroyer kit rental tickets the most. And the most that consumables we have is this. Yeah. Well, we need I'm not even gonna activate this because I'm already level 50. That does nothing. Right. What about this? What? I can't even activate it, bro. How am I gonna even use this if I can't activate it? Bro, I'm not done yet with weekly, but I'm done. Break 20 blocks. Yes. Okay. That dude was wasting my time. Left. Bro, just give me my missions already, bro. I want to buy something from the shop. What should I buy on the shop? Yo, I'm gonna buy the summer kill effect. buy. I don't know why people just buy. How is this 20,000 ticket? I mean some coins, whatever. Like, it's just a skip skin. Why is it that expensive? What should I buy? This or this? I don't know. Why so many people are choosing Team Turtle? So let's go. Longer video. Longer video. Let's go. I got a longer video because I do. Bro, stop giving me XP boost. I am already level 50. I want this. Why can't I have this? Why can't I have it? How is the rental ticket battle pass? It's more bro, how is rental ticket battle pass is epic while this is legendary? Like, why? How is this epic? I don't know how is it epic. What's the comments? Of course, the emotes. I want the mountain mount. Well, I'm not a legend at this game, but I'm pro. I'm a pro, even I lost many matches last round. I don't know why I want rental kit so bad. Like,